here we have it, the Tepache, which is the fermented banana skin with the cinnamon, ginger, and just some nice little natural sweetness from the coconut sugar. So it's really fermented this over the last 5 days. Can you hear the gas? So now for the good part, let's try. Filter it with a glass and a sieve. I'm going to pour some of this into a nice glass. So let's try. Wow, that is absolutely amazing. Quite keen to cover some cocktails on it. It's got a natural, sparklingness to it. So really do recommend this. It's a fantastic book, but also, you know, the ingredients and little recipes in here. It's not all just food, you know, nice little fermented drinks. And we could quite easily get into the habit of just making this on a cycle and just saving those banana skins. Absolutely amazing. So really hope you enjoyed my show. Please do subscribe, lots of love and passion going into this. Also, please turn on your notifications every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 PM. Also check out my other channel, which is Hib's Happy Hour, where I do cocktails and things like that, and I'm looking forward to covering a recipe with this. So enjoy and take care. Have a great week, everyone. Bye bye.